Okay, so here I'm just starting with my hair. Well, my hair is not washed yet, so I'm just combing it out. Make sure all the knots are out because I took my braids out last night. So yeah, so I'm just jamming on my music, you know. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished washing my hair, so yeah, my hair now is just wet, so I'm just drying it out with my towel. So pretty much that's what I'm doing. And I'm also gonna use a blow dryer, so it can just be fast because I don't have too much time on my hand. I just want this hair to finish as fast as possible.
And I also use this one. So this is Dax. It's just a hair food. So I usually put this one as well. Okay, so for my braiding, I'm gonna be using this hair extension, this one, and I'm gonna do the cornrows, single cornrows, and I'm just gonna use a little bit at a time. Yeah, I'm not too good to do my cornrows, but I don't have no choice right now, so I'm just gonna try to do my cornrow. My cornrow doesn't look that good, but so what I do, I just section it. Big Mike. Up and I'm already thinking. Okay, so my cornrows are done. As you can see, it's not that good, but I just try to make sure that I have my parts. So here I'm going to do my parts. So these two have to make sure this line were good. And yeah, the back, it's a big mess. So yeah, the back doesn't look that good, but both oil, I'm just gonna go and then put it on the line. So yeah. The hair, I bought this at Aliexpress, so it's this hair that I'm using. I have 5 pack, so this is how it looks like, nice and bouncy. This looks so nice. It look like this, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna separate them because I want the curl to be like this, so I don't want to separate. Even if I separate, it's gonna be so frizzy. I don't want that, so I'm just going to use this one. So to crochet, pretty much you just have to take your crochet. There's a little hook here, you just open it, yeah, you go around it, you take your hair, put it in the lash there, then you can lock it. Oh, it's already locked. And take it out. And I didn't make my hair too tight, because you make it either one time, pretty much. That's how it's gonna look. And then let me do all of them, then I'll come back.
So my hair is done. What I'm doing here, I'm just going to cut all the funny ends at the end. So I don't want it to be too fluffy, but I still want it to have some good volume to it. So I'm just here cutting all the extra hair or hair that is not even.
Next time.
Okay, so this is how it looks like. So what do you guys think? I really like the hair. Okay, so this is how the hair looks like. It's okay, but not the color. Not bad. Not professional. Show my best. So really, what do you guys think? Yeah, I'm gonna put my makeup on. I'm gonna focus. So yeah, that's the hair. It's really nice, bouncy. I love the color, you know. Oh, I can't wait. So yeah, there it is. Took me I think total of 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours and a half just on to finish it. And then I still have 2 pack left. So that's mean I just used like 3 pack. Even the 3 pack, there's still some leftover left. So yeah. So that's how the hair look like. I really like it. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think, and don't be mean, please, because all you guys, some of you guys like to be mean on comment. If you have nothing nice to say, don't just comment it, but you can give me advice or anything. Yeah, so that's my hair. Thank you and ciao.